Hi, welcome to Make It with Tim. I'm Tim, and today I'm going to be showing you how to attach a doorstop to your skirting board so that your door handle doesn't chip your paintwork. First things first, you need the doorstop that you're going to fit. I'm going to be using one of these, which are one of the cheapest type you can find around, but it's brilliant because it vibrates once you attach it to the wall and it hits. Makes me laugh. First things first, you need to work out where your door meets your skirting board. Then make a mark on the skirting board somewhere near the end of the door. This is the doorstop I'm going to be using. When you unscrew the base, you'll find the screw inside. As you can see, it has three parts. There's the base, the doorstop itself, and the screw to fix it all to the skirting board. Hold the base to the skirting board, making sure all of the base is on the flat surface. Then mark the center hole. For the screw provided, I need a 3mm drill bit. I'm then going to drill into the skirting board. This will make it easier when I'm pushing the screw in to attach the base. Here you can see I've put the screw through the center hole of the base plate. Then I use a hand screwdriver to attach it to the wall. For this particular doorstop, you'll see the base plate has a second hole right near the outside. Insert the spring into this hole and twist clockwise to fasten the doorstop to the base plate. And now for the fun part. Boing! So there you have it. I fitted the doorstop and my paintwork is nice and safe. As you can see, fitting a doorstop is nice and simple if you know how. I hope you've learned something, and if you have any comments or advice for fitting other doorstops, if you leave them in the comment section below, then I and other people can learn from your experience. So if you liked what you've seen, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell, and we'll see you for other videos in the future. Stay safe and have fun.